get you started. So again, this one has a little bit of 3-point perspective happening here. Here's the vertical. This angle is parallel, but if I angle it a little bit, it'll give it the 3-point perspective idea. And these taper. This angle kind of goes in a little bit rather than just straight down. So it's relatively easy at start until you do the label. And building that part up there. So once I get that, again, trying to help you guys with this placing ellipses. This is the center line right there. And if there's a in-between section, once it crosses over, I can find the approximate rectangle it fits in and extending the center point to either direction here and taking 1/3 of the distance from the corner. And again, once I connect that stop sign shape, hexagon, octagon, it gives me that piece that I can then place the elliptical shape in there. And once I get it, just kind of having it up a bit so I can see it, and I'm going to have the light coming from here, so this is going to be a little concave section. Here's finding the top again. Yet you can see that if you want to give it some texture, you can, dropping it down, in this case for the label, following that pattern up there. And this just has a little bit of a curve to it. And dropping this one down too. So it's just kind of creating these still life type character examples here. This is offset a little bit, and in the photograph overextending it to be that piece. So once I have it, I pretty much have it illustrated. You know, I can throw some of the shading in there just to get it started. And you can take some liberties by changing the direction of it. This isn't as straight because it is chalk, kind of roughed up on the edges there. And this part has a little bit of a tone, so I'll just kind of set some of that in there real quick. And this would have a cast shadow come in this direction. Find this corner, but then it goes beyond to find the back corner, and that's where it tapers off. Okay, so just for initial beginning, that gives me the section. Then it's just a matter of trying to do the reverse of all the type.